Give me 15 minutes and I'll teach you how to buy motels the right way. Not the HGTV fantasy version. Not the buy a dump and pray version. I'm talking about a proven, repeatable system for turning forgotten motels into cash-flowing apartment-style assets that people actually want to live in. Because here's the truth. Motels are hiding in plain sight, and most investors are sleeping on them. Let's change that. First, why motels? Because they're underpriced, underutilized, and totally misunderstood. You're not competing against institutional money. You're not getting outbid by hedge funds. And here's the kicker. Most of these assets already have the bones. Individual units, plumbing in every room, parking, signage, etc. The conversion to extended stay isn't a flip, it's a reposition. It's adaptive reuse with insane upside. A couple years ago, I bought a condemned brothel in McAllen, Texas. Yeah, you heard that right. A brothel. The state had slapped a massive lien on it and nobody wanted to touch it. I had to go hunt down the district attorney to get the lien removed just to close the deal. That was just the beginning. Zoning fights, contractor issues, delays, doubt. But we pushed through, and now it's a fully transformed, ultra extended stay property with premium units, gig speed internet, full kitchens, washer dryer, 65-inch screen TVs in every room, stone countertops, the works. We went from 80% expense ratios to below 40%, and we're charging above market rent because the product speaks for itself. You want to buy a motel? Start here. Market demand. Who are the top 5 employers within 15 miles? Any hospitals, universities, and construction projects? Demand is everything. Competition. What other extended stay options are in your area? How full are they? What are they charging? Zoning. Can your property be used as residential? Don't guess. Check it or get steamrolled later. Layout potential. Can the rooms be converted to studios or one-beds, kitchens? That's where the value is. Financials. What are your projected weekly, monthly rates? Can you hit 75 to 85% occupancy? If not, probably don't buy it. We built a full checklist for this. You can download it below. It's the exact framework I use to vet every single deal. Please don't do what most people do. Don't just buy because it's cheap. Don't assume you can figure it out later. Don't hire a general contractor who's never done a conversion. This is a different game than flipping. It's part hospitality, part multifamily, and part construction, and 100% about execution. The deals work, but only if you do. If you're still here, you're probably serious. So here's what I'd recommend. Download the Ultra Extended Stay Market Checklist below. Book a 30-minute strategy call with me, and let's map out your deal. Because you don't need another online course. You need a roadmap and someone who's been there. Thanks for watching. If this gave you clarity or kick in the pants, subscribe to the channel. I drop real stories, real deals, and zero fluff. This is the most profitable real estate strategy no one's talking about. Let's change that.